Hello students and welcome to South Texas College and to our course Education 1300 Learning Frameworks. My name is Dr. Lydia Bean and you're more than welcome to call me Dr. Bean, Dr. B, Dr. Lydia, or the crowd pleaser Doctora Freehold. I really like that one. So I'm thrilled to have you join me and embark upon this educational adventure that you're getting ready to go upon. We're going to have a lot of fun in this course and you're going to learn a lot about yourself, the college, and your next steps on this pathway in your educational journey. So this video is informational. It aligns with our syllabus, and I just want to give you a little bit more information because of course you're going to be seeing me in the in-person environment. So if you're in this course, you're either going to see me on Mondays and Wednesdays or Tuesdays and Thursdays, and please, of course, attend your in-person class. But in addition, we have a Blackboard digital learning environment, and that's where you're going to be accessing other resources. You're going to be accessing reading materials. So you're either going to have a required textbook, which is on course, or an open educational resource textbook. You're going to be accessing videos and other resources, and you're also going to be doing your graded assignments in the online environment rather than us, dealing with papers and submitting work in that way. And this is that online environment. So we have to become very familiar with this environment so you are successful in the class. So I just want to tell you how that week is going to run for you. So in addition to coming to class on either Mondays and Wednesdays or Tuesdays and Thursdays, depending on your schedule, you're also going to be responsible for knowing that our week runs in the online environment from Mondays at 12 a.m. midnight all the way through Sunday at 12 p.m. Now 12 p.m. means lunchtime. So when you're eating your lunch, that is when work is due in the online environment, right? Now, you can work on your work that is due in the class, your readings and your videos and your graded assignments anytime throughout the week, right? Early in the week, mid in the week, late in the week, all through the week. It's totally up to you. Just don't give in to that procrastination monster and let everything pile to the end and then some kind of a glitch happens, right? So it's better to front load or space out your work so you make sure that you're turning it in on time because this instructor doesn't take late work or give in to any kind of excuses unless there is an extreme, and I mean extreme, medical emergency with documentation for the entire week from medical professionals. And those are on a case-by-case basis. And again, very rare do I take those in the last 20 years of my teaching. So please don't give in to that procrastination monster. But that's how our week runs in the online environment. Now, there are all sorts of resources out there available to you. Obviously, I am one of your resources, but also your classmates, and the entire college is a resource, right? So not only the CLE, the library, advising, counseling, all of those resources, basically every support service at the college, the digital learning environment, distance education, and so forth. So please use your campus resources wisely, and if you have any questions, know that your professor is here on the other side of this. Let's have a great semester, students.